Hi everyone, thanks so much for coming back to my channel. It's Melanie. I appreciate you checking this out. So today we're going to do an Influenster unboxing. Influenster has been amazing and sending me some really great stuff lately. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, please keep watching. So before I get into the unboxing, I just wanted to show you, recently I did a video on like how I get ready for the pool day or the beach day or whatever. I'll link that up above, but I am loving a new hair product and just wanted to tell you kind of what I'm using. It is the Wella Volume Boost and it has cotton extract in it, and so I'll take a shower and then I'll just kind of spray it into my roots. I feel like it's giving a nice thickness and volume to my hair, and then I'm going in with this sample that I got from IGK. It's the Beach Club spray volumizing texture spray, and so I'll go in down here and spray my ends, then also just give a little bit of lift, but it gives like the perfect thickness to your hair, but also some volume. So I just wanted to share that with you guys because those are two things that I'm really loving right now. So Influenster did send me another package here. I recently did a unboxing of an Influencer box that they sent me called, it was the Becca Light Gleam Primer and Topper. It was this duo. I actually have the pink one on my lids right now. I put it with the Beauty Crop palette that I have, and this is a home run, y'all. You can, I think, pick it up exclusively at Ulta if I'm not mistaken, but they have several different shades. They have some greens, they have some pinks, but this one is in the shade Refract. And at first this blue was super intimidating, but you know, it's a really powdery finish. This pink topper is chef's kiss, like perfection. So thank you Influencer for sending me this, but also this is just a really great product that I highly recommend to you guys. On to the main event. So let me get my zebra scissors here. We'll see what they sent over. So for those of you that are new to my channel, hi, welcome. But I am a frequent reviewer on Influenster. It is an app that you can download. I'll put the link in the comment description box down below. And you do reviews online, and Influencer sends you a new product. Companies, you know, give it to them for people to try out and review and post things on Sephora, post things on Ulta, websites, things like that. And the more you review, the more likely you are to get what's called a Vox box, which is what I'm about to show you. Sometimes people get one within a month. Sometimes they get them every few weeks. Sometimes it takes like up to 6 months. So I just say keep reviewing, keep at it, even if you're just watching a movie and reviewing in the background. I know that Kendra does Influencer. I want to say that my friend Laura does it as well. I can't even remember who originally got me into Influencer, but thank you. And also, you know, you get really great items. I know Laura's gotten some really high-end things. I've gotten Anastasia Beverly Hills before. Clearly I have Becca there. So this one is Goop Beauty. So this is a little box here. It always comes in like a little box that says Influencer, and then it's, let's see what it says. It says all-in-one formula is designed to address the 5 signs of skin health to keep it nourished, smooth, even toned, firm, and glowing. So it's always going to open like this, and it comes with a card. Ooh. Oh, okay. All right, so it is an all-in-one nourishing face cream and all-in-one nourishing eye cream, which is super exciting because I am out of eye cream and I've just been using Drunk Elephant like under my eyes. So I'm really excited about this. So this is a little card that came with it. So these things are always packaged really nicely, lots of, you know, tissue paper. They're always gonna come. I've never gotten anything broken in the mail from Influencer. They do a nice job. I think these are full-size products. So I've got the 0.5 fluid ounces of the all-in-one nourishing eye cream with, I cannot say these words, Arjuna and ceramides and Schisandra maybe? Not sure, but there is a whole lot of ingredients here on the side. That's a long list. It's without parabens, petroleum, silicones, artificial dyes, or fragrances. So that is exciting. Very clean brand. Okay, the Packaging is super sleek and simple. It's just a white container here. So it's just a twist off cap and a squeezy tube. Oh yeah, just a very light, smooth jelly consistency. Excited to try this at nighttime. That's when I tend to use the most eye creams. So just like lather it up under the eyes, go to bed, let it just do its job, you know? And then I have the Goop Jeans All-in-One Nourishing Face Cream. It has Schisandra again, which I gotta research and find out what that is. Illip butter, not sure, and ceramides. So this is 1.7 fluid ounces. Rich all-in-one super cream melts into the skin, leaving it deeply nourished. It has a whipped texture. Whipped. Anyone Family Guy? Whipped. If you're a Family Guy fan, comment down below. But it feels like an invisible second skin. All these ingredients work synergistically to leave skin feeling ultra moisturized, soft, supple, smooth, firm, and even toned. So I have, this is the box here. I have pretty dry skin. I feel like I could moisturize 24/7 and I still wouldn't have enough moisture in my skin. And even living in Florida in a very humid environment, I still feel like I could use some more moisture. So I'm probably really gonna like this. I just really love the all white packaging. It's very sleek. It kind of, I don't know who it reminds me of. This is super cute here. Let's check it out. Oh, this is gonna be good. Ready? That's how thick it is. That is gonna be good. I'm actually gonna take what's on the lid here and just feel her out. So that is an idea there. Very moisturizing. I think my neck's really gonna like this. So stay tuned and I will definitely give a review on these and let you guys know how that's doing. Well, thanks so much for watching. I know it was a super short video, but just wanted to show you what they sent me. And if you are on Influenster, please follow me. It's Thedenimredhead, just like everything else. And thanks so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, thumbs up, comment down below. And I'm really trying to reach 100 subscribers because I have a very fun giveaway here that I want to give out. So if you do like these videos, please tell your friends to watch, share the videos, anything like that, because I just love hearing how you guys like the giveaway. I did a So Jaded giveaway palette, and it was really nice to connect with the viewers, and I love hearing from you guys, especially meeting new friends. I think it's super fun to talk about all the things we're interested in and hobbies and fun things and makeup and skincare and hair care and all the good stuff. So thanks so much for coming, and I appreciate your time. I hope you're all staying safe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.